Welcome back to PsychPower. You've helped us build a sanctuary for the curious, and today we're going deeper. We aren't just discussing dating tips, we are deconstructing the hidden architecture of human attraction. What if you could bypass the conscious mind and speak directly to the heart's biological code? These are the 6 psychological master keys to making anyone fall for you. 1. The mirroring protocol, the Chameleon Effect. In the world of social psychology, the Chameleon Effect is our greatest tool for instant rapport. We are biologically hardwired to trust those who reflect our own essence. By subtly, and I mean subtly, mimicking a partner's gestures, posture, or speech patterns, you create a subconscious echo. When they look at you, they don't just see a stranger, they see a version of themselves. And there is nothing a human being loves more than a familiar reflection. 2. The power of presence, the mere exposure effect. Forget the grand gestures. Psychology proves that the most powerful force in attraction is familiarity. Known as the mere exposure effect, this phenomenon suggests that repeated contact with a stimulus, in this case, you increases its perceived value. By simply being a consistent presence in their environment, you become a safe, preferred constant. You don't need to be the loudest person in the room. You just need to be the one they see most often. Familiarity breeds comfort, and comfort is the foundation of love. 3. The perfection paradox, the Pratfall Effect. Total perfection is intimidating. Vulnerability is magnetic. This is the Pratfall Effect. Research from the University of Texas reveals that high-competence individuals are actually perceived as more attractive when they make a small humanizing mistake. Being intelligent and capable is the hook, but spilling your coffee or laughing at your own clumsiness is the anchor. It tells the other person, I am brilliant, but I am human. That relatability is where true connection begins. First, emotional resonance, the contagion factor. Humans are emotional sponges. Through a process called emotional contagion, our brains subconsciously catch the moods of those around us. If you radiate a grounded, positive energy, people will begin to associate that feeling of well-being with your presence. You become their source of dopamine. Emit a positivity, and they won't just like you, they will become addicted to the way they feel when they're standing next to you. The Primal Red Signal, biological priming. Color is a non-verbal language that speaks directly to our primal instincts. The European Journal of Social Psychology has confirmed that the color red acts as a powerful biological prime in the romantic realm. It signals vitality, health, and passion. Whether it's an outfit or an accent, wearing red triggers a deep-seated evolutionary response that draws the eye and holds the attention. It is the color of attraction. Use it strategically.
Before we get into the most important step, hit the subscribe button if you're finding this useful.
6. The anchoring effect, the lasting first impression. The brain is a lazy processor. It takes the first piece of information it receives and uses it to anchor all future judgments. A study in the Journal of Social Psychological and Personality Science proved that a first impression, even from a mere photograph, can override reality for months. When you step into their world for the first time, your appearance, your punctuality, and your initial energy are the anchor. Make that first second count, and the rest of the relationship will follow the standard you've set. Attraction is not a mystery. It is a science. When you understand the triggers, you control the outcome. Which of these protocols have you noticed in your own life? Share your thoughts in the comments below.